how to upload your WordPress site to a host. So this is a step-by-step tutorial that I'm going to show you how to upload your website to a host. So we have two ways. We have the paid one and then the free one. I'm going to show you the paid one first. So just go to Google and then type in Bluehost. When it comes, just select the official site of Bluehost, just like this one, then click on it. So over here at the site of the Bluehost, just come here and then come and choose your web hosting plan. Okay, so they have several of them. The first one is the basic, and then you pay 2.95 cents per month. Okay, so this is the thing that you are going to get from it. You are going to host 10 websites at maximum. They are going to get 10 gigabyte storage with all these as well. When you come to the features too, they are going to give you all these as well: free AI, then you have free AI help, and then you have free CDN as well. And then they are going to give you free domain for 1 year. Okay, and then one professional email on a free trial basis. Okay, so you also get the free SSL as well. So when you're ready, just come and then click on select, and then over here they are giving you 63% off of the full price. Just come in and click on start now. So after clicking on it, what you have to do is just come and then create a new domain by putting your domain name here. Okay, so I'm going to put in blogging tools. Then you can come and select any of these extensions that you want. I'm just going to leave mine at the .com, and then come and search if it is available by clicking on the next. Okay, so as you can see, it says congrats, the domain is available, and then it has been added to the cart. You have to create an account by simply coming to put in all these requirements: the first name, the last name, the business name is not compulsory, the country, the street, the city, the state, and then the postal code, your phone number, your email address, password, and then you confirm your password as well. Okay, then this is how the plan is. Okay, so the one that you selected, if it's an online store or a website, it will come, and then the service term is also here. You pay it within 1 year, and then the hosting price is here as well, and then you are going to get 1 year free domain, and then all these are free as well. Okay, and then these are the payments that you are going to pay. Okay, so the total is here. This is the total that you are going to pay in all. Okay, and then these are the payments options that they accept. They accept the Visa, the MasterCard. Just put in the name and then the number here, and then they also accept PayPal as well. So if you have the money, just go ahead and then pay for your hosting and domain. Okay, but if you don't have the money, I'm going to teach you how to get a free web hosting until you get the money to pay. So for the free one, just go to Google and then type in Infinity Free, just like this one, and then hit enter. Okay, when it comes, simply come and then come and select Infinity Free, the official site of it, and then over here simply come and then click on register now. Okay, so what that you have to do is just go through a short sign up registration process by coming to put in your email address. You put in your password, you confirm the password, and then simply come and then check to agree to their terms of services, and then come and click on sign up. So when you click on it, you have to verify your email address. If you go to your inbox and then the message didn't come, just come and then click on resend email, and then they will send you a new one. Okay, so within our inbox, as you can see, the mail is here. Just click on it, and then over here simply come and click on verify address. So when you click on it, you have to come and then create a hosting account. So as you can see, it says no account yet. Simply come and then click on create an account now. Okay, when you click on it, you are going to choose a hosting plan, and then lucky for us, they have a free hosting plan, and then it's totally free, and then you pay $0 for lifetime. Okay, so this is what you're going to get from the free plan: 5 gigabyte the storage, unlimited bandwidth, and then unlimited hosted domain as well. When you're ready, just come down and then come and click on create now. Okay, so we are going to choose a domain, but you cannot use your own domain except a subdomain. Okay, so just select a subdomain and then come and put in the domain that you want here, and then come and select the extension that you want. Any of these are free, just select it and then come and click on check availability. Okay, so I am going to put in this subdomain name, that is a bloggings, and then simply come and then click on check availability. So when you click on it, as you can see, it is available, and then I can use it to create and then host my website. So over here, this is what people are going to see when they visit my site, and then the account username is generated automatically. The password, I can change it by simply coming to click on this symbol here, and then it will regenerate a different one for me. And then the email consent, just come and then select I approve. Okay, and then simply come here and then come and click on create account. So when you click on it, you will see that your account has been created successfully with this username generated for you. Okay. What I try to do is I come and click on finish, and then over here, sometimes it might take up to 72 hours before your site will be live. When you check it, it might not come. Don't worry, just come and then click on control panel, and then over here, come and click on I approve. Okay. So when you click on it, your control panel will be here. And these are the things that you get from the free plan. You get subdomains unlimited, you have add-on domains unlimited, and then this is the 5 GB this they promised us. Okay, you have unlimited bandwidth, and all these comes along with it. What you have to do is just come here to the Softaculous app install and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, simply come and then install your WordPress by clicking on install, and then over here come and choose the installation type by clicking down and then select quick install. Okay, over here come and set your admin account by putting your admin username here, and then you can always come down here and then change the password by clicking on this key sign, and you can put in the different password that you want. When you're done, simply come down here and then come and click on the install. Sit back, relax, and then wait for WordPress to install successfully. As you can see, congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. We can log in through the administrative URL by coming here to click on this link. So when you are in your dashboard, just come here to the plugins and then come and click on add new plugins. The same happens to the paid version as well, okay? And then come here and then come and search for WP Vivid, just like this one, and hit enter. When it's come, just come and then select this one as well. Then come and click on install now. Sit back, relax for it to finish installing, and then come and click on activate. So when you click on it, the WP Vivid, you will see it under the settings, just like this one. And all that you have to do is just come here and then come and click on upload, and come here and then come and select the website that you want to upload, okay, by simply clicking on the opened, and then it will be selected. So when you come down here, you will see that it is here being selected, and come and click on upload. So when you click on it, just wait for it to finish uploading, and then when it's finished, this pop-up will come, okay. It says the upload has completed, and then come and click on the OK. So all that you have to do is just come here to the backups, and then under the backups, you are going to see you are backed up here. Okay, so all that you have to do is just come to the restore, and then under the restore, come and click on the restore. So all that you have to do is just come and click on restore, sit back, relax, and then come here. It says you want to really continue. Just come and click on OK. Then all that you have to do is to just allow it to be restored. So as you can see, it is restoring, and when it is done, this pop-up will come just like this one. Is states restore completed successfully. Come and click on OK, and over here just come and then log in with your username, your password, and click on log in, and then you'll be logging directly to your dashboard by clicking to the dashboard, and then you can visit your site by putting the mouse on the site name and click on visit site, and your site will be live, uploaded successfully on a host. Okay, so this is how to do it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.